Resetting your Rogers or Xfinity modem through the admin page is a key troubleshooting step. While Rogers and Xfinity are separate companies, their modem reset processes share similarities. This factory reset clears custom settings and can resolve connectivity issues. First, connect to your modem via Ethernet for a stable connection. Open a web browser and enter your modem's IP address. For Rogers, this is typically 192.168.0.1. For Xfinity, it's often 10.0.0.1. Default credentials are often admin for the username and password for the password on Rogers, though you should change this after the reset. Xfinity modems sometimes use admin as the username with the serial number as the password. Once logged in, navigate to the Advanced or Administration section and look for Restore Defaults or Factory Reset. Confirm your selection and wait for the modem to reboot. This process restores the modem to its original factory settings. Note that as of late 2025, Rogers includes enhanced security features, such as HTTPS access to the admin page. After performing a modem reset, the modem reboots and automatically attempts to reconnect to your ISP's network. Monitor the modem's LED lights. You should see the power, receive, send, and online lights illuminate and become stable. This reconnection process can take between 5 to 15 minutes. If the lights don't stabilize, ensure your coaxial cable is securely connected. Once the modem is online, reconnect your devices to the Wi-Fi using the default SSID and password found on the modem's sticker. As of October 2025, Rogers introduced a Smart Reset feature in their app that can remotely reset the modem and use an LTE backup for reconnection if the primary cable connection fails, useful during outages. Keep in mind that resetting your modem does not affect your ISP account settings. Always update your modem's firmware after a reset to ensure you have the latest security patches, addressing vulnerabilities as highlighted by advisories from CISA.